Hey, Corey, how's it going, man? Hey, Brenton, how's it going? Welcome to the show. Hey, sorry you missed out on that. But there's always next time. Always next time. Let's see here. Hey, a Pat Tillman downtown, Justin. Hey, I will try my best. That is a sweet looking card. That is a sweet looking card. I feel like I'm due too. I think we can try to pull that in there for us. All right. Hey, Joe, welcome. Welcome. Just got a 6 blaster box optic break going on here. Ready to pull some fire. I'm just going to give a little bit. Brent. Hey, welcome, Brent. Let's see, Brent, you got the Cowboys, don't you? Yeah, good luck with that, man. Good luck. Just going to wait a few minutes just to see. Give just some last second payment options to go. Looks like. Hey, Steven. Hey, welcome. Let's see if I can not kick the table here a couple times. So there are 2 teams that were purchased but not paid for. Those were the Chicago Bears and the San Francisco 49ers. If anyone's got some interest in that, I was going to give them one more minute. It's been a couple hours and I've sent out reminders. But I just give them one more minute and I'm going to cancel that order, and then they're up for grabs for anyone that would like to take a chance on them. So I'm going to give them about 30 more seconds to do that. In the meantime, thanks everyone for joining in. I do have, in case we get that Pat Tillman downtown, I do have some one touches to throw some stuff in here. Hopefully we get to use those. I'm going to make sure all the rookies are sleeved up and top loaded before they get sent out. But for the purpose of this, we're just going to make sure all the big dogs get sleeved right away because we want to protect those cards for you guys. But we'll make sure all the rookies are sleeved and top loaded when they get shipped out. Hey, Seth, how's it going, man? How's it going? You got my favorite team, the Broncos. Hope you pull some fire, but I will probably cry if there's a downtown Jerry Jeudy in there. So if I start crying there, I'm sorry. All right, let me see. I'm going to check one more time. See if we got any payments in for those last 2 teams. It does not look like it. So I'm going to cancel that order there. Let's see here. Just trying to cancel these orders real quick. So, hey, Brett, how's it going? So we got Brent and Brett on there. Let's see. Selling. We got orders. Bears and let's see. It's taking a little longer than I thought to do that. see, awaiting payment. Just looking to cancel. All right, so sorry guys, I haven't had to cancel something on eBay for a while. I usually do it on my phone, not the laptop. But we're going to get these things canceled, and they're going to be up for grabs. Let's see. I think it'd be easier for me to figure this out. Sorry guys, what's going on here? Selling. Orders. So how's everybody's night going so far? And we're ready to rip and have some good stuff come their way. All right, here we go. So, hey, if anyone's interested, we do have the Bears and the 49ers available. 49ers and Bears sold for $8. 49ers sold for $11.50, I believe. You know, if anyone's interested in purchasing that, just let me know. I just go, you know, $3 a team for anybody that's already in this. For either of those, the Bears or the 49ers, get a good deal. Just let me know if that interests you. I'm going to glove up right now. See if we can get this show on the road. If anyone's looking for any of those. Justin, you'll take the Niners? All right, cool. Justin. Joe, a little late there. And the Bears. All right, Justin. Hey, if you want to just shoot me a PayPal, let's just do $5, man. Let's do $5 for those two teams for you. Since you jumped on there first, just barely beat Joe out for those teams. Yeah, I'll post my PayPal real quick. There you go. All right, yeah, Justin, I just posted my PayPal for you. Sorry, yeah, Nick, you're in this. You're in this one for sure. I think you have the Jets, Panthers, and Texans, right? Hey, yeah, Justin, yeah, Venmo works for me too. I'll just post my Venmo for you too. That works better for me. There you go. All right. So there, I'm just going to put their Bears and 49ers for you. All right, got that set up. I'm going to get my gloves on here. Get ready to rock and roll. All right, good luck, everybody. Hey, if anybody needs a little reminder of teams, just let me know. I got the list of teams right here. Hoping to do some fire. All right, yeah. Sorry, Nick. All right, here we go. We are going to rock and roll. Good luck, everybody. We got our 6 boxes here. We'll go one at a time, all sealed there. All right, we have 6 packs in these. We have 4 in each of them. Hey, Thomas. Hey, good luck to you too. Empty box there. You see we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I think I got it there. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. So make a little pile here first. Get all these things out of the way. It'd be good to see if we can get something big this first box right off the bat. Get some fire. So I think, what we do in this group, we got a pretty good little Facebook group. It's small but growing. We usually do Facebook rips or Facebook breaks on here. Every so often we'll do an eBay break. Just maybe to encourage a few more people to come join the party. But we try to get a couple breaks a week. Seth, are there any autos and blasters? I think they can be, but they're not like the megas that are guaranteed. We should have a mega blaster or a mega optic break coming up here pretty soon. Probably within the next week, a 4 mega box break. All right, here we go. We got Austin Eckler for the Chargers. Marquise Brown for the Ravens. Ooh. That's a nice one. Antonio Gandy Golden, rated rookie for the Washington football team. Oh, hey, here we go. Right off the bat here, we got a Jalen Hurts hitting some fire for the Eagles. I'm going to sleeve up that silver Antonio Gandy Golden too. But Eagles, there you go. Right off the bat, we got one of the cards you're looking for. Jalen Hurts, put him up on the stand right away. It's just a base to start off with, but no complaint about base. Especially if we start getting some Burrow base. That's a nice rated rookie to have right off the bat. And the silver's pretty nice too. Give him a little stand time, just for a little bit, hopefully. Hopefully we keep pulling a little bit more fire. All right. Continue on. Uh-oh. I saw a beauty down there. We got Drew Brees for the Saints. We have a silver George Kittle. We have a pink rookie card, Tommy Stevens. We have a Javon Kinlaw rookie card for the 49ers. We have a Tom Brady base for the Bucks. We have a DJ Chark for the Jags. Woo! Oh, look at that one right there. That's a beauty for the Chiefs. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, pink rated rookie. And Ross Blacklock for the Texans. There we go. Now we're talking Chiefs. Good one. I'm liking this blaster box already. We've already got a Hurts. We got a Clyde Edwards-Helaire. That's a pretty one right there. We'll sleeve up Brady real quick. And Tommy Stevens. Hey, so good start so far. Coming along. All right, continuing on. We got Matt Ryan for the Falcons. We have a memorabilia card. I'll get to that right away. We have Jedrick Wills silver for the Browns. Devin Duvernay for the Ravens. Our memorabilia card is also a Devin Duvernay rookie card for the Ravens. There you go, Duvernay back-to-back. There we go. We got a Cam Newton for the Patriots. We have a retro. Oh, that is nice. Hey, that's the first one I've seen of that for the Raiders. Bo Jackson retro series. Got Isaiah Stevens rookie card. Raider rookie for the Cardinals. Trayvon Diggs for the Cowboys. Joe Mixon for the Bengals. Jason Kelsey for the Eagles. In the back, we got John Hightower for the Eagles. And our last pink is a rookie card. Eno Benjamin for the Cardinals. All right. Hey, so not a bad blaster to start things off. That Bo Jackson, that's a pretty sweet looking card. I thought I saw it say Jackson, but I hadn't seen one, so I thought, nah, that can't be Bo. You just got to top load that one right away. I was a big Bo Jackson fan, both baseball and football. Pretty nice looking card there for the Raiders. Like Duvernay. Man, this guy is absolutely fast. He can fly. I think it was this year that he had that huge, I think it was kickoff return. Might have been a punt return. But he just absolutely flew down the field. All right there. Oh. Yeah, those Ravens, that's right, Seth. You got the Ravens this time. Yeah, nice pickup. I gotta get the big sleeves here for that memorabilia card. You know, I opened 2 blasters. Or no, actually I had 2 mega boxes I opened for myself. And I had 2 memorabilia cards in them. And both of them were Dwayne Haskins, the exact same card. Oh man, I was so mad at that. I was like, come on. Sweet looking card right there. All right, here we go. Blaster number 2. Good luck, everybody. Again, it's all sealed. Again, we got 6 packs coming out. Empty box there. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, here we go. Let's see if we can pull some of the big dogs here. See if we get some big dogs coming out. Coming out to play. How about a Herbert? That would be nice. A Tua. Oh, I got a peek. There's a nice card on the back. For someone coming up here. See, we've got a Jalen Hurts already. Let's see if we can get a Tua, get a Joey Burrow. And I just start hitting everyone. Oh, there's a Mahomes for someone. For the Chiefs. All right. So yeah, me and Tucker, we are the ones that kind of run Mac 9 card breaks. We're over here on the West Coast. So some of the fun we get to do since we're still kind of closed off. We got Juju Smith-Schuster for the Steelers, Davante Adams for the Packers. Kyle Duggar, rookie card, silver, or Hollow for the Patriots. Darnell Mooney, rookie card for the Bears. We have Stephon Gilmore for the Patriots. Ooh, that's a nice color coming up. Baker Mayfield for the Browns. Let's see what we got. Oh, it's a Charger. Oh, man. Psych out. Josh Kelly, pink Raider rookie for the Chargers. All right, there we go. Tyler Johnson for the Bucks. Not bad for the Bucks. We got a Patrick Mahomes base for the Chiefs. We have Julio Jones for the Falcons. We have another Raider rookie. Oh, yes. We got a hollow Chase Claypool for the Steelers. Very nice. And then behind that, we got Cole McDonald for the Titans. Oh, very nice. I know. Sorry, Tug. I'm such a tease there. I saw that helmet and I thought, maybe. Yeah, sorry, Justin. But actually, Jason, I'm sorry for that. I thought that was potentially the first Herbert in a pink one. But that Chase Claypool, that's pretty nice right there. Give him some time on the stand here. I'm going to sleeve up a few more of these real quick. That Mahomes is nice. Tyler Johnson, rookie card. Raider rookie for the Bucks. Oh, that Josh Kelly, though. Oh, Josh. Yeah, everyone loves to see some Herbert action. And if that would have been a pink Herbert, man, that's what we're talking about. That's what we want. Still a nice looking card. Overall, fairly centered too. For Optic, actually for Donruss. I mean, it's notorious for being off center. All right, here we go. Continuing on with the rest of the blaster, we got T.J. Watt for the Steelers. We got his brother J.J. Watt for the Texans. We have Darrell Taylor for the Seahawks, pink. A.J. Terrell rookie card for the Falcons. Michael Thomas for the Saints. Odell Beckham for the Browns. We have, that's a nice one. Chiefs again. There we go. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, rookies. There you go. Another Chase Claypool, base Raider rookie. Man, the Steelers and the Chiefs, they're eating. We got Chargers, Mike Williams. Josh Allen for the Bills. A Raider rookie Jet. Denzel Mims, Raider rookie. And John Hightower rookie card for the Eagles. There we go. Jets getting some action in there. I do like those Raider rookies being guys that we kind of know. And Mims. Yeah, there you go, Nick. You got a Mims. Very nice looking card. Yeah, but the Claypool had two in that box. And we had the rookies Helaire. And you gotta love that as the Steelers. So 2 Chase Claypool so far. Not bad. J-E-T-S. I love it, Seth. I love it. And I can't tell. Correct me if I'm wrong, I'm a Broncos fan. I do watch the Seahawks since we're up here in the Pacific Northwest. Taylor, I don't know. Is it Darrell Taylor or Darrell Taylor? Very nice. Clyde right there. Seth or Tucker or anybody else that's a Seahawks fan. Is it Darrell? Is that Darrell or is that Darrell? Might be kind of hard to tell me on there, but... All right, here we go. Box number 3. Box number 3. Good luck, everybody. Again, sealed all the way around. Oh, you believe it's Darryl? Oh, okay. I've heard it said both ways on different breaks. I thought it was Darryl, but then again, it reminds me of that Key and Peele when they have a Block A instead of Blake. You know, that fun skit. All right, empty box there. We got again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, at least, oh yeah, I was about to say at least they had him in a jersey, but they don't. They have him in a college uniform, which still is better than the combine jerseys. Man, I hate those combine jerseys. Oh, Pack having a little trouble for me. Hey, there in the front Jets, you got a little Sam Darnold there. Bet you're loving that guy. Oh, Benny, you're calling a Claypool? Claypool pink? That's what you need? All right, hey, call it out. I think we get it. And Seth, yeah, sorry, Seth, nothing yet, but you should call it out. Call it out and see if you can get maybe some Broncos. Yeah, I wouldn't mind pulling something good. Hey, might as well get the rainbow. Might as well get it, Benny. Yeah, there was, in that last box, there was no... Oh, Yetur Gross-Matos. I got his auto. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Box number 3. Box number 3. Thomas Brady Silver. Oh, okay, here we go. Kenny Galladay for the Lions. Rob Gronkowski for the Bucks. We have Quintez Cephas, a hollow rookie card for the Lions. Yetur Gross-Matos. Man, I get this guy's auto everywhere for the Panthers. David Montgomery for the Bears. Carson Wentz for the Eagles. We got a rookie card, a Seahawk. DJ Dallas, pink rookie card. There you go. Seth, there, I'm pulling you some pink stuff. Hey, Devin Duvernay, Raider rookie for the Ravens. Larry Fitzgerald for the Cardinals. Dalvin Cook for the Vikings. We have a hollow Bills, Raider rookie. Gabriel Davis for the Bills. And hey, there's Darrell Taylor again. Darrell Taylor again. Hey, Thomas, I'm trying to pull hard for you. Trying to get one of those Brady Silvers. I was in a break yesterday, and they pulled out a hollow Brady 2015 Patriots. Thought, oh, man, that's awesome. There we go. So, yeah, Seth, you keep hitting with those Ravens. I tell you what, may not be hitting with the Broncos, but you're hitting with the Ravens and the Seahawks. You're probably looking for a Russell Wilson, though. That could be the last Seahawks card he has. I mean, I hate to say that, but hey, this DJ Dallas, you know, he might be getting more playing time with Chris Carson probably signing elsewhere. Maybe he'll just wait to go where Russell Wilson ends up. You know, nice looking DJ Dallas there. And Quintez Cephas. I don't know if the Lions know who that guy is. I really don't know who he is. All right, let's finish off that box. We got DK Metcalf. Gardner Minshew. We have Devin Asiasi, or Asiasi for the Pats. We have Patrick Queen for the Ravens, another Ravens. Sam Darnold for the Jets. Hey, there's a Bronco. Von Miller for the Broncos. We have Dominators. Drew Brees for the Saints. Hey, another rated rookie for the Eagles. Jalen Hurts. There you go, Eagles. We got Chris Godwin for the Bucks. Josh Jacobs for the Raiders. Another Bill-rated rookie. Another one. We got Zach Moss, pink for the Bills, and Terrell Lewis for the Los Angeles Rams. Man. There you go. Hurts for the Eagles. Zach Moss. There we go. Beautiful card there. Hurts again. Get some more sleeves out. 2 Hurts. Is it Donald? I think Donald has the Eagles there. So he's got 2 Jalen Hurts. Pretty centered there too. Nice looking card right there. Put him back here with his other one. Now you just need to get a little color for him. Get a color Hurts, maybe a silver hollow. That would not be bad. Devin Asiasi. Pink. I think, you know, if they traded Russ, they got to get at least 1 stud lineman just to maybe prove a point. You know, get a stud offensive lineman to come with. All right, we're halfway through here. Let me just move a few more cards out of the way. Halfway through. We're hitting a couple of Hurts, but we need some more love for the Chargers, for the Bengals, for the Packers. All right, here we go. Sealed box. This is Optic box number 4. There we go. Trubisky to the Seahawks? Wow. Yeah, they'll send Khalil Mack there too. All right, here we go. 6 more packs coming our way. Empty box. And again, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good luck, everybody. Let's get it. Hey, it'd be nice if we get a downtown. I have yet to pull a downtown. I think I'm due. I've seen some pretty sweet downtowns pulled. I know we had a request earlier for a downtown Pat Tillman and a downtown Jerry Jeudy. Hopefully we can fulfill at least one, if not both of them. I feel like I've seen some of these guys before, you know, with Keenan Allen. Hopefully this is not a repeat box. You know, if there's another Jalen Hurts, something's going on here. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Box number 4. We got Julian Edelman for the Patriots. AJ Green for the Bengals. We got another Seahawk. You know, a hollow Colby Parkinson rookie card. Ooh, wrong Charger. We got Kenneth Murray rookie card. We have Derek Carr for the Las Vegas Raiders. We have Calvin Ridley for the Falcons. We have a... Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Is this what I think it is? Yes, it is. Hey, there we go. There we go. We got Big Dog, Justin Herbert. Jason, there you go. Justin Herbert for the Chargers. Hey, there we go. Herbert in color. Yes, that's what we're talking about. There we go. There we go. Very nice looking card there. Get a little close up on him. Herbert. Centering doesn't look too bad there. Maybe just a smidge heavy to the right, but not bad at all. Not bad. It just looks like, it's hard to tell. To me, it looks a little bit maybe to the right. It just looks like maybe that top edge might be hard to tell with that, but overall, that's a good looking card right there. That's a good looking card. Congratulations, Jason. Let me find a spot for him. He's got to join the crew here. Big dog, Justin Herbert. There we go. See if we can adjust it a little bit. See if we can get that reflection off him a little bit more. There we go. There we go. Congratulations. All right, I'm liking this box. You got J.K. Dobbins for the Ravens, rated rookie. Got Alvin Kamara for the Saints. We got Nick Chubb for the Browns. No, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? 2 Herberts in the same box? Oh, holy cow. Look at that. A hollow Justin Herbert. Oh, no way. Jason, there you go. There you go. That is a sweet looking card right there. Sweet looking card. I don't know, you see that almost looks like, yeah, it's that little football. That's the first time I noticed that little football there. You've got to be kidding me. In the same box. Those were back-to-back packs. We're getting the Herbert Rainbow just in this blaster box. Oh, man, straight fire. Look at that card. That is a beautiful card, too. Wow. Wow, there you go. I mean, the centering on that back doesn't look too bad either. Those are good-looking cards. Good-looking cards. Oh. You're going to join the group right there. So you got a pink and a hollow there. We'll move him in there. Woohoo! Very nice. Congratulations, Jason. You got 2 right there. All right, we got Jeremy Chin, rookie card for the Panthers. We got Keenan Allen for the Chargers. We got Mark Andrews for the Ravens. We got a Yetur Gross-Matos pink rookie card for the Panthers. You have Mekhi Becton for the Jets. We have Devontae Adams for the Packers. A.J. Brown for the Titans. We have that's a nice card right there. The rookies for the Cowboys, CeeDee Lamb. There you go. That's a nice one. Followed by a Joe Reed, rated rookie for the Chargers. I really don't know who that guy is. I've seen him pulled a couple times. Baker Mayfield for the Browns. Juju Smith-Schuster for the Steelers. Oh, the other rated rookie for the Chargers, Joshua Kelly, pink. And Josiah DeGuara for the Packers rookie card. So, hey, that's straight up fire. That blaster was hot. That thing was hot for sure. Man. If you got the Chargers, all you needed was that one blaster box, and that's it. But, man, two Herberts in the same box. You gotta be kidding me. And color? I mean, that's nice. That is nice. Joe Reed. CeeDee Lamb. There we go. Nice CeeDee Lamb right there. The rookies. I think that's the rookies that we've pulled so far. So congratulations, Cowboys, right there. Brent, I believe that's you. See if we can get like a rated rookie of him too in some color. But really nice looking card right there. Of course, my boy, I feel like I always pull Gross Matos, you know, pink. Hey, Seth, don't worry, I'll top load Colby Parkinson here at the end, but, you know, I don't want to spend too much time on him quite yet. So, yeah, hey, that was a good Chargers box right there. Let's see if maybe the next box we can pull out some other ones. See the Joey Burrow or a nice Tua. That would be what we're looking for. So we're 4 boxes in here. 4 boxes in, two Herbert color so far. Still yet to see a Joey Burrow or a Tua or a Love. All right, we got sealed box here again. Box number 5. Hey, good luck, everybody. Yeah, maybe a Brandon Ayuk. Hey, that's not bad. I was in a break yesterday and saw a couple Ayuks come out. Of course, I did not have them. I went against my gut, and I did not get the Broncos. I ended up with the Dolphins, and which is Jerry Jeudy color came out. All right, there we go. We got empty box there. We got, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, still looking for a downtown. That would be pretty sweet. I've yet to pull a downtown. I know Brett's in here. He's pulled a couple downtowns. Oh, Justin, you have an Ayuk curse? Man. Well, hopefully we can break that curse for you. Oh, there's a MVP right there. Aaron Rodgers. It's good to see some of the other guys popping in here. Maybe mean that we got some different guys coming out of these boxes. Hey, Brett, how many different downtowns have you pulled? You had the Walter Payton downtown, didn't you? Hey, Aaron, good to see you jumping on here. Aaron, I don't know if you see that. We got the 2 Herberts right there. It came from the same blaster box. Can't believe it. Same blaster box. All right, well, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Box number 5. Here we go. Yeah, Juan, they were back-to-back boxes, too. Back-to-back. All right, we got Adam Thielen for the Vikings. Tyler Boyd for the Bengals. We got our first holo, Dalton Keene for the Patriots, followed by Javon Kinlaw, rookie card for the 49ers. Still not an Ayuk, I'm sorry. Josh Allen for the Jags. DeAndre Hopkins for the Cardinals. Sorry, I saw the color here. I thought maybe, they pulled a pump fake on me. I thought that was Dolphin colors. C.J. Henderson, rated rookie pink for the Jags. Followed by, another Clyde Edwards-Helaire. That's the 3rd one I think we've got of him. Congratulations, Chiefs, right there. Raider rookie. Cortland Sutton for the Broncos. Bobby Wagner for the Seahawks. Raider rookie silver. Darrington Evans, actually the holo for the Titans. Followed by Antoine Winfield for the Bucks. Here, I'm just going to whip through the rest of these, then we can sleeve them up here. I feel like there's some fire coming. Here we go. Max Crosby for the Raiders. Lamar Jackson for the Ravens. We'll sleeve him up right away. Harrison Bryant, rookie card for the Browns. Eno Benjamin, base rookie card for the Cardinals. Mr. MVP Aaron Rodgers, discount double check for the Packers. We got Derrick Henry for the Titans. We have there we go. There's Mr. Tua Tagovailoa, first one in the box. The rookies. There we go. Tua coming to the party. There we go, Dolphins. Got a Tua here coming in. Welcome to the party, Tua. I really like the way these rookies cards look. They may not be as good as you know, a base. But still, really nice looking card right there. Tua. And then here you go, Cowboys. Right behind it, we got a base. CeeDee Lamb. We got Joe Mixon for the Bengals. Jason Kelce for the Eagles. Followed by a pink Raider rookie. This is the Darrington Evans box. This was like the other one. It was Herbert last box. This one is Evans. So there you go, Titans. Pink, followed by Mr. Tommy Stevens. Rookie card for the Saints. All right. So Titans. You know, if you're a Darrington Evans fan, you got two of them helping to complete the rainbow for you. I mean, good looking card right there. It's too bad that wasn't a, I mean, no offense to the Titans, of course. You know, you picked them, they're your team. But man, if that was a Tua or a Joey Burrow, same thing as we had with the Herbert, that'd be pretty nice. Because Clyde Edwards-Helaire's up there, but you know, it'd be nice to throw someone else up there, take a little time, take his spot. Open up some more top loaders real quick. So not a horrible box. Definitely not the best box we had there. Had some good color. You had Mr. MVP in there. So Harrison Bryant, Lamar. You had another Clyde Edwards-Helaire in there. It just keeps feeding. Yeah, you're right, Seth. If I'm afraid you might try to come raid my Jerry Jeudy stash. You know, I have the Jerry Jeudy auto helmet in the background. That's supposed to be some good luck for us. There's a Darrington Evans. Helping complete. Yeah, so Clyde Edwards-Helaire again. Yeah, you're right, Tuck. That's right. We did have those three guys in there. That's not a bad box. I'm still hoping we get some kind of downtown. That would be sweet. You know, Jags, I was hoping this would have been like Laviska Shenault. Still a sweet looking card there for the Jags. And then Mr. Dalton Keene. Hey, so we have one more box. I just wanted to thank you guys again for joining with us tonight. I enjoy breaking cards. Probably just as much as you guys like getting cards. We have a great little Facebook group that we do try to break twice a week. I think we're going to try to throw another break up on eBay, a 4 mega box break. Yeah, probably sometime next week. But yeah, Tucker's got the pressure. So we got last sealed box. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Let's pull some fire. End up on a great streak here. And strong. Again, looking for 6 packs. There you go, empty box there. Oh, thanks, Nick. Thanks. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, hopefully it's been a good break for you guys. I know it's been a good break for the Chargers. I know when we did the mosaic breaks, I opened and pulled a Herbert rookie script. That was pretty cool. And I know Tucker did a personal, opened up one of his own mega boxes and got a bronze Justin Herbert. So, been doing pretty good overall. with these breaks. All right, we got our last blaster box right here. Let's just see if we can pull a monster out of this last one. Go out on a high note. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Last box. Last box. Here we go. We got Derek Carr for the Raiders. Calvin Ridley for the Falcons. Our first holo is a Sunshine Cole McDonald for the Titans. Rookie card. Followed by Darnell Mooney for the Bears. We have Alvin Kamara for the Saints. Oh, seems like it's sticking there. Nick Chubb for the Browns. Jedrick Willis, rookie card for the Browns. We got a rated rookie, Tyler Johnson for the Bucks. We have Keenan Allen for the Chargers. Mark Andrews for the Ravens. We had a holo. Oh, hello. There we go. Boom. Joey Burrow. Let me pull that Cole McDonald out there too. Joey Burrow. Welcome to the party. There we go. Hey, I like it. We've hit all the rookies here. I'm hoping if this box is like that other box, maybe we'll get lucky and have a pink Joey Burrow coming up too. But very nice for the Bengals. Congratulations, Steve. Look at that card. The centering looks pretty good on that too. Wow. Hey, there you go. There you go. Let me see if I can create some space for him up here. Sorry, Justin, I'm gonna double you up with yourself here. Put Justin Silver up there. Joey Burrow right there. We're gonna hide Jalen Hurts in the background a little bit. There we go. Woo! Straight fire. There you go, Steve. There you go. See if we get a pink one out of it now too. We got Devontae Adams for the Packers. A.J. Brown for the Titans. We have a Van Jefferson pink rated rookies for the Rams. We have A.J. Terrell for the Falcons rookie card. Baker Mayfield for the Browns. A Juju Smith-Schuster for the Steelers. We have a retro Warren Moon for the Oilers, which would be the Titans. We have another Chase Claypool, Raider rookie for the Steelers. Stephon Gilmore for the Pats. Oh, we have a Ben Roethlisberger Silver. Teased. I thought that was Burrow. Grant Delpit, rookie card for the Browns. And John Hightower, rookie card for the Eagles. Oh, Juan, I know what you're talking about. You start seeing all these good cards coming through, you want to rip for yourself. You got to do it. Rip it and post it. And you've had two downtowns, haven't you? You had a Tua downtown, and you had I can't remember, was it Walter Payton downtown? Or was that Brett that had the Walter Payton downtown? I'm not sure. But yeah, Tuck, I tell you what, I mean, it's how many times you get in a break and you get skunked and not one of the big rookie cards gets pulled, the big quarterbacks. And we hit all four. You know, unfortunately, no Love, no Eason in this one. No Jonathan Taylor either. But still, overall. Oh, that's right. You got the Brady. That's right. That was sweet. That Brady was pretty sick. The pirate ship in the back. Yeah, you might have to do it, Juan. You got to break it open. Break it open. Tyler Johnson. You know, once I get these sleeved up, we'll go over and have a little recap of all this. What a great break overall. Thanks everyone for joining. This has been pretty fun pulling out these big cards. That's for sure. I enjoy doing that. And just as a reminder too, I believe Tucker, you know, one of the other guys and one of the other admins of this group, is going to be having a break. We'll be having it posted here. I think next week, is it right, Tuck? I can't remember exactly what you were thinking timeline-wise, but let's see if we can get these all situated here. All right, we're going to do a little recap here for everyone. Great break overall. Here we go. All right. And recap time. Here we go. We got Tyler Johnson for the Bucs, Raider rookie. Van Jefferson, pink, Raider rookie for the Rams. Chase Claypool, 1-of-many base for Raider rookie for the Steelers. Grant Delpit, rookie card, pink for the Browns. C.J. Henderson, Raider rookie for the Jags. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, base, Raider rookie for the Chiefs. CeeDee Lamb, Raider rookie for the Cowboys. Darrington Evans, hollow, Raider rookie for the Titans. Same guy, Raider rookie, pink. We have Tua, the rookies for the Dolphins. J.K. Dobbins, base, Raider rookie for the Ravens. Yetur Gross-Matos, rookie card for the Panthers. CeeDee Lamb, the rookies for the Cowboys. Joshua Kelly, pink for the Chargers. Devin Asiasi for the rookie card for the Patriots. We have Zach Moss, Raider rookie for the Bills, pink. DJ Dallas, Raider rookie, pink for the Seahawks. Devin Duvernay, Raider rookie for the Ravens. Gabriel Davis, hollow, Raider rookie for the Bills. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, the rookies for the Chiefs. Chase Claypool, base, Raider rookie for the Steelers. Denzel Mims, Raider rookie, pink for the Jets. Joshua Kelly, Raider rookie, again pink for the Chargers. We got memorabilia card, rookie phenoms. Devin Duvernay for the Ravens. We got Devin Duvernay, base, Raider rookie for the Ravens. We got a Bo Jackson retro series for the Raiders. We got Chase Claypool, hollow for the Steelers. We got Clyde Edwards-Helaire, pink, Raider rookie for the Chiefs. Antonio Gandy Golden, hollow for the Washington football team. We got a Jalen Hurts, base, not one, but two Raider rookies for the Eagles. We have a hollow Joe Burrow, Raider rookie for the Bengals. And the two, which is an awesome hit, but the two biggest hits from the same blaster, we have a Justin Herbert hollow and a Justin Herbert pink rated rookie. All right. Thank you again, everyone, for joining. Feel free to, you're in the group also. If you want to join any breaks, just hop right in. Have a great night, everybody.